Welcome to the Damen Shipyards, Antalya. Let me take you on a tour. Located in the Free Trade Zone area, Damen Antalya owns and operates 5 different shipyards, or so to call them sheds. And each shed has its own specialty, from sandblasting and painting to aluminium and steel works, to outfitting and finally composite works. With a workforce of over 600 skilled craftsmen and craftswomen, Damen Antalya has the capacity of building all kinds of different vessels. From 11-meter interceptors to Coast Guard vessels, fast crew suppliers, but also our Damen yachting portfolio of yacht support vessels and Sea Explorer expedition yachts. You can find them in Damen Antalya. Just a few meters away from the shipyard, which we find on the backdrop with the beautiful mountains you see behind me, we're already in the city of Antalya, which is filled with history, and it's perfect for water sports lovers, winter sports, and any other kind of activities you can imagine. So hope to see you soon at our shipyard in Antalya.